HDB 的是 standard 的，一定要买的。For HDB mortgage
对 HDB loan
I buy the HDB just I took bank loan
bank loan 就 optional。
if let's say depends on age the premium will go up.
yes
Let's say health remains the same as good. The age right every year will increase by 大概
5%, 5-10%, 5-10% every year.
inflation. I should be getting the standard first. Maybe I settle down then because now I
太 stress 了，我们这个年纪
太 stress 了，
yeah I just get the basic.
do the basic first 啦。
中了要 second. 你 just 做那个 topic.
我们做 basic 就是500千 death 跟 TBD。Today I get your signature first, but you don't pay money first. When you're ready, then you pay. Then we no need meet one more time. Now I do. Then if let's say you think that you want to add on this and that, then you
I know okay
you go medical health checkup. You got cholesterol, no? You got hypertension.
So far all the results is in the correct range. Including cholesterol, fatty, triglyceride. Now everything is in the correct range.
How many years? Okay, maybe have exclusion. 下次买 travel insurance 你要买 pre-existing 那个 home fire insurance 啊 if let's say 你决定了哈 you let me know at night I will can do the application and send you for payment 咯。
我请你之后签那个 fire 证呢